Welcome back, my YouTube family. Yep, I'm back at it, being a geek. I am in my sim rig and I am working on carrier landers. Now, I actually suck really bad at it, but anyway, I'm going to upload it anyway. This is going to be a one take. As you all know, I've been working on trying to set up my streaming setup, so this is definitely going to be a one taker. And I am going to actually see how it goes once I get into the flight sim. I'm just going to talk to y'all every step of the way. Everything that I do, I'm going to let you know what I'm doing. And hopefully we got some pilots out there that can give me some pointers as far as what I'm doing wrong, because Lord have mercy, I just cannot get right. Anyway, the TAC-CAN is 71X and the ILS is 11. And I'm just going to give this thing a go and see how we come and see what we do. Okay, so look. No editing, all live. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call in to air traffic control and let them know that I am inbound.
Marshall 301, marking ops 309418, Angels 2, holding hands with 305, low state 7.9.
They're gonna give me some information I need.
Weather is visibility 10 plus mile. Scattered clouds at above 10,000. Altimeter is 29.903. Case 1 recovery expected BRC 116. Report see me at 10.
Now this is case 1, meaning it's the easiest scenario possible. But for me, it's hard. It's very hard. 71 on the TAC-CAM. I'm going to put in there. I'm going to bring up the ILS. Turn that on, and that channel is 11, and enter. On my left DDI, I'm going to bring up the HSI, box TAC-CAN, box ILS. They said call in when I'm 10 nautical miles out. Right now, I'm at 10.8, 10.7. I'm going to take my hook bypass field and take it to carrier, anti-ski it. I'm going to make sure that it's off. I am 9.5 miles, so I'm going to call in, see you at
301, see you at 10.
301, update state, switch tower.
301, low state 7.6.
Okay, course heading was 116. I'll put that in. And I see the boat. Okay. So I want to get to the boat about 350 miles per hour, or nautical miles per hour, and then elevation will be 800. That's my parameters that I'm going out the.
Tower 301, overhead Angels 1, holding hands with 305, low state 7.4.
So I am
301, tower, roger, BRC 116, signal is Charlie.
now flying 116.
301.
See the boat. Might as well put my hook down now. Alright, I want to be at 350 and 800. Around about. So, the runway down there, that's what I gotta get on, and it's slanted. And so it'd be so weird because I come in and then the angle don't be right. But whatever. I'm be 1 nautical miles out from the boat, and then I'll make my break. Okay. Power down. Make sure that we're descending. Not too fast. I don't want to do a big G turn because I don't want to be too close to the boat. Give myself a little bit more room. Okay, there we go. When I get to 250, I'll lower the landing gear, put the flaps on. And bring out the speed brakes. Still want to be around like 70, 600. Okay. Alright. Trim up, trim my elevator up, and get my angle of attack right. Alright. One more little trim. That looks good. That's the boat. We're gonna turn. Going too far down. Okay. I'm gonna try to use my throttle only. We want to be. It's looking good. It's looking good. Level out. We're at 470, 500. Bring the throttle down. Looking good, looking good. Throttle up. Final turn. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Now we want to put that circle right there on the boat. Uncage it. Yep. Looking good. Looking good. I'm pretty sure I'm off the angle. So, and I can't hardly see it ever. More power. Looking good. More power. Looking good. Let's let it drop. Whew. Wire one, that was too low. Alright, we did a good job there. Okay, alright, that was okay. Little shy. I need to work on my angle, where the angle of the boat is at. Okay, anyway, this guy's telling me to come on, go forward, and take my wing. Maximum velocity exceeded. Okay, he's telling me to go left, go right. Fold my wings. Alright. Let it go right. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Right. Alright. Forward. Look at him. What you want me to do, sir? Well. Right. Forward. Well, right. Right. Right there. Forward. Forward. Brake. All right. All right. Okay. Let's look at the plane. See if we get any damage. Nope, all good. Whew. So I know I got a lot of work to do. but I'll get it eventually. I promise you I'll get it eventually. I really appreciate you all sticking around for this video. I will be uploading more of this DCS stuff because I am really, really into it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then make sure you subscribe. Also, if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, and hit that bell, and of course hit the like, thumbs up if you like the video. I appreciate you all, and until the next time, hey.